Welcome. This is Zangler, the Tesla Semi Advocate, and I am bringing you the last drone flight at the Giga Semi construction site for 2024. Today's date is December 30th, and the flight time is 12:30 p.m. I hope you enjoyed that opening shot. It was from the south and included the Tesla Semi that is doing overwatch duty. So as long as we were on the south, we'll start with that instead of our normal northwest corner. So we're at the south looking north, and you notice that they've put up quite a bit of wall panel on section D. Actually, that's section E, where that little jog is. They've completed the blue inner wall. That wall will separate section F from the stamping section G. We're going to come around the corner and take a brief look at the stamping pit, but I encourage you, if you're at all interested in the stamping pit, to stay tuned for the end of this video where we focus on that stamping pit. As of right now, it's just a quick look as we continue to circumnavigate the factory. We'll get a lot better look at this at the end of the video. Heading from the southwest corner, that's what we're looking at here, where the blue meets the white and gray, we'll travel to the north along the western wall. Those loading bays are complete, and getting a little look around for perspective so you can see the surrounding terrain and Legacy Giga Nevada right there. Reminder that plant produces an amazing amount of batteries, 2170s that are shipped to Fremont. This section G has the roof insulation and waterproof membrane completed. That is the way that they connect the two buildings. There are actually 6 separate standalone buildings and a cap and joint in between each one. Those propane tanks are hooked up to portable heating units, and ducting goes into the section A and heats this section up. I would give anything to be a fly on the wall on the inside of that building and know and share with you what's going on. If you happen to work at Tesla and can make that come to reality, let me know. What's going on there is probably fascinating. Here's a lot of work done along this northern perimeter. There's a lot of work being done trenching for freshwater pipes, for stormwater management. I believe the electrical is already complete, but you'll get a good look at all of the work that's being done along this northern perimeter of the building. If you look at the render, there'll be a semi-test track out here in front of this. This is where the vast majority of the loading doors are, so we we can surmise that a lot of raw materials and supplier parts will be coming in this door. That is a big, actually smart summon truck that we just looked at. The other thing, now that we're coming around the northeast corner, the reader has asked about that door there, and if you can see, I believe they don't buy doors, they build them. And that door has been framed and I believe they use wall panels, the same wall panels, metal insulated wall panels that they use for the exterior for those doors. They're holding off on putting these wall panels on, and I would have thought that would have been done a long time ago. Here we get a good look at the stamping pit, and there's a lot going on here. I don't pretend to know what this all means, but I always look forward to any viewer that can add any color to what's going on here. There's a giant rebar cage that they've been working on for well over a week. And then up there is the second stamping pit, which I have speculated is perhaps for the frame stamping equipment. And the one below us to the west is speculated to be the sheet metal stamping presses. At the end of the video, I will include the two renders, one from the northwest and one from the south, where you can see the stamping structure. Forms are obviously being worked on. Good look at it. We're going to spin the drone around and take another look at the western stamping pit. And then I'll leave you with that for the end of 2024. And looking forward to a lot of progress and a lot of interesting developments in 2025, including slowly ramping production. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you next year.